Hello and welcome to this data service instructional video. This video is going to show you how to enter a teacher formative. So it's a two-step process. First you have to create the formative in the system, then you have to enter the student grades for the formative. So a teacher formative would be something like a quick check or something that the entire district would not consider a grade. It's not something that the entire district, like something from your curriculum or some sort of progress monitoring piece that everyone does. So this would be specific to the teacher. So the first step is to create a place to put grades for that formative in your actual gradebook. So you're going to come down to number 5 on your teacher menu here, and you're going to set up formative teacher. And it's going to have your subject and your grade here. You can change the subject. If you teach more than one grade, you can change the grade, but if you only teach one grade, you're only going to get one grade. So for this particular assessment setup, we're going to use an English language arts grade. And then you click the Add New button. So first you have to pick what unit you'd like this assessment to fall into. We will pick Unit 2. And then you have to give your formative a title. That way you know what it's called in your gradebook. And after you do that, you have to choose a rubric to grade this assessment on. So if you click the drop down, there are tons of rubrics to choose from. Most of the rubrics are tagged by standard. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see that you have your writing rubrics as well. So we will do a RI5 rubric. And you can put up to 4 rubrics on a teacher formative currently. We're going to up that to 8 eventually. And let's do language. All right, so once you have your rubrics that you'd like to grade on set up in the system, you can come down here and select Save, or if you want to enter progress for that formative right now, you can actually come down here and say which course you'd like to enter the progress for. And you can save and enter progress. So you will see that once you save and enter progress, it takes you right to the data entry screen. It looks just like the data entry screen would look for a regular enter assessment. And you can click on, you can see the rubric when you click the question mark, and you can enter grades just like you would for a regular assessment. You can use the copy all, and then you would save your scores. Again, don't forget to save your scores, because if you do not save your scores, it will delete your scores when you navigate back out of here. There is no autosave in Progress Book currently. I am not going to save scores because I need to delete this assessment. So I'm going to cancel out. So that's essentially, there's one other way that you can actually enter data into that assessment. Number 3 here, number 4, I'm sorry, if you enter formative teacher, if you click that button there, it will take you to all of those teacher formatives that you've created. It'll take you to a list of them by unit. Currently, it doesn't work for me because I am not a teacher. My profile is different, so it just takes me to a blank screen. But if it were you, it would take you to a list of assessments here that you've created. All right, that is how you enter your teacher-created formative. And set it up. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here at Data Service, and thank you for watching.